Hello, I'm Milt Tandy. I'm the president of WireCrafters. Today I'm with Brian Davis, sales manager at MHR out of Nashville.
Hey, Milt. Thanks for having us. Glad to be here in Louisville.
When you think of all the products that were possibly on your line card over the past 10 years that MHR specialized in, has that changed quite a bit here recently from what you used to sell on a regular basis some years ago?
Top five, no. We've kind of stayed to our core competencies, but that 6 through 10 number, it does jockey from what our customers need for their goals. Hey, we need to adapt with our customers because that's what we, want to do is take care of them.
Right. Oh, very good. So, Brian, has your typical customer changed over the past few years? Is it a much more diverse group from what it was years ago? Is it more manufacturing, more warehouse, about the same? How's that gone?
We found additional verticals and really secondary markets before and throughout the pandemic. And it's about adapting to change. We only started in one specific market with one brick and mortar building, but we have found to where we can reach outside our geographic territory through using technology. And again, as our customers say, can you? Our answer is yes.
Has the evolution of material handling products, as that's changed over time, has that opened up new markets for you?
Short answer is yes. Mike Honius, our current CEO at Geodis of the Americas, back in 2011, he said, change is constant and growth is optional. Well, at MHR, we choose to grow. So we will choose to change whatever our customers need us to do.
Yeah. So if you're not growing, you're dying.
That's right.
All right. Very good. As a material handling distributor, what would you say is your biggest pain point?
The decision of indecision. So whether it's a manufacturer or whether it's the customer themselves, when they don't make a decision, they've made a decision. And then fluctuation of lead times, but who's not seeing that today?
Right.